We are here at Lahore, Pakistan. हम लाहौर पाकिस्तान में हैं and we're gonna try Hardees here. Supposed to be very good. Looks beautiful from outside. Let's go inside.
So this is how it looks like inside the Hardees in Pakistan, and we have a very friendly staff here. Hello, hello, we have a staff here. So what's your name?
Sajid.
So you can see the prices over here. It's cheap, it's good. The weather is lovely, and their signature vending machine is here for free. Drink hot. It's beautiful. Look at the surrounding. It's lovely. And wow, that's my car outside. So I'm driving this truck around here. The weather is beautiful. It's super lovely weather. So we are here at Hardees in Pakistan, Lahore. Hardees पाकिस्तान लाहौर में है और हम ट्राई करने वाले हैं एक बहुत ज़बरदस्त चीज़ मुझे नज़र आई, मैं आप लोगों को दिखाता हूँ. Look at this. Yeah, this is not a fan. It's a heater. Because the weather is cold here, so this is a heater. So I have ordered a steak loader. Let's see how it comes out to be. And मैंने स्टेक लोडर ऑर्डर किया है. जो नॉर्मल स्टेक लोडर है उसकी प्राइस काफ़ी अच्छी सी 1350 और कोम्बो के साथ 1550. तो देखते हैं कि ये कैसा निकलता है और बनाता हूँ मैं वीडियो खाते हुए स्टेक लोडर. And this is what I was talking about, heater. So this is heater. Okay, here it is, the moment of truth. So we have the fries here, we have steak loader. It looks lovely, and the drink. Yummy. So I'm gonna eat. I'll keep updating you, posting more videos. Let me show you the bill. I forgot to tell you about the bill. So that's how it looks like. The bill. 1550. So here is my steak loader. I already have eaten it half, and then I realized that I haven't yet started making the video. So very good. It's lovely. Prices is very good. I already have told you, about $9 Singapore, and the taste, wow.